evening, everybody. This is Chef Maria Bell, and I am here live to teach you how to make the Greek, the original, the authentic, the genuine, the delicious Greek meatballs. First, I am going to eat one or maybe a piece of one. I have my plate here, my plate that is hand painted and it has a fish. I am going to put the meatball here. You can see the color. It's cooked. It has to have this brownish color. That's when it's ready. I'm going to take my sauce, my marinara, and put it on the top because I like my meatballs with marinara. I'm gonna cut a piece. I am going to taste it, try it, eat it, and put a little bit extra sauce. And then I'm gonna show you how to make it. Here are the meatballs. I made a few. I got some mashed potatoes to go with it and some green beans, fresh green beans. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. You need to come here. It's, I would say, out of this world. It's delicious. You can eat these meatballs like candy. Hop, 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 hop. But we're gonna learn. I'm gonna teach you how to make them. I get 2 pounds of ground beef. It is your choice if you want 80-20, 85-15, or 90-10. I have a bowl here with ground beef, 80-20. I have this delicious 3 ounces of mint. I put it inside. The next one is 6 ounces parsley, curly or Italian, it doesn't matter. We see the color already. A small onion, I would say 3 ounces of chopped, finely chopped onion, any onion, red, white, this is white, it will do the job. 1 teaspoon salt, okay, half a teaspoon black pepper, and almost 2 teaspoons oregano, dry oregano, 1 heaping spoon of garlic paste. I make the garlic paste myself in the food processor because I cook a lot with garlic. So 1 heaping teaspoon garlic paste. How you gonna do it? Just put a bunch of garlic in the food processor and make it like a paste. Then we have soaked bread crumbs. And I'm going to put the soaked bread crumbs. It's a cup. 1 cup of soaked bread crumbs. This 2 pounds will make about 10 to 12 meatballs this size. Okay? 2 eggs. There goes 1. Okay? And there goes the second. And now we need to mix it. we grab the ground beef, use both hands, mix it well. You will not see any more pieces of onion all together. You will see a wonderful mixture that I will show you when I mix it all. If you like what I do, my Greek recipes, I carry from my mother and my grandmother from Greece. I have been a restaurant owner and executive chef in my own restaurant for 22 years. I have done catering, I have done parties, I have done cooking classes. I have taught a lot of people what Greek food is. I am an expert. A lot of people like my food. A lot of people are asking for my food. If you like it, also hit subscribe and like. That will take me to the 7 clouds. I would love that. Subscribe and like. That's my channel, Maria Bell. And this is ready. I will show you. There you go. It's all mixed. Now I'm gonna bring a flat, small baking pan with the parchment on the top, because you know we don't want to wash pots and pans, because I cook a lot every day. I want to keep cooking. I don't want to spend time cleaning the pots and pans. Now we start making the meatballs. So all we do is take the mixture, make it round, a good size. We like a good size meatballs, and I'm gonna make them all just for you to see and we can talk. In the meantime, these are very light. You can do a pasta. You can serve with mashed potatoes and green beans. You can serve by itself. If you can make them really small, I'll show you a trick. See, you just grab, it's the same recipe. This meatball, it could be your hors d'oeuvres. With a toothpick on the top, you will have appetizers, meatballs. They're very popular, very popular. So we got a little bit more to do. Okay. And we're gonna put in the oven. We're gonna put in the oven 375 for 1 hour. It's gonna come with this color. Okay, and it is ready. Absolutely ready. This one is a little smaller, but it's okay. I'm gonna take my gloves off. I am going to remove this in the sink. I'm gonna put the parchment top inside. Sometimes I roll it back inwards. Sometimes I put it like this. Just don't let it fly in the oven because it's gonna burn. Greek meatballs, so they go in the oven. You have had and you have eaten and you have done spaghetti and meatballs. But those spaghetti and meatballs are a little bit smaller, and the hors d'oeuvre meatballs are a little bit smaller from spaghetti and meatballs. Because when you eat spaghetti, you know, you have all this mess, eating the pasta. so you don't want the meatball to be so big. But when you have mashed potatoes, you can have green beans, you put on the side, you can eat it like by itself. You can take it to the picnic, you can take it to school, you can take it to work. Easy to freeze. If you want to make one batch, many meatballs, it's very easy to freeze. That's delicious. So my name is Maria Bell. I'm Greek. I just showed you how to make Greek delicious meatballs. This is a very good recipe. Don't forget the mint. The mint is very popular in Greece. It's all over the yards, the gardens. We use it a lot as tea, in the tea and the meatballs. I have finished for tonight. If you like my cooking class, please hit the button subscribe and the other button like. I will much appreciate it, and thank you so much. And if you need to get in touch with me, comment and I will respond for any questions you have. My channel is Maria Bell. Don't forget it. Thank you so much and good night.